Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors in Wigan. Today I'm going to show you around this, what I could only describe as a beautiful one-owner Porsche Macan. It's the 2-litre automatic and it's got over £7,700 worth of factory options. Now the car is finished in the jet black metallic and it's sat on the Turbo Design alloy wheels. Now the extras on this car total over 7,700. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you around the car and I'm going to highlight the extras on it. So the 21-inch wheels, they're the Turbo 2 or the 911 Turbo Design wheel, and they are £3,165 as an option. Now the jet black paintwork arguably has to be one of the best colours you can get that in. And then it's also on the outside, we've got the Monochrome Black detail. So on the exterior, there is no chrome. So all around the windows is high gloss black, monochrome. So arguably, if it was a Range Rover, we're classed as a black pack. But coming around the rear, this is obviously a facelift car. So we get the new rear end, we got the more squared off tailpipes, and then we get the number plate plinth through the back. When they brought the 992 Porsche 911 out, they obviously re-jinked everything and gave it this lovely corporate rear end. Electric rear boot as well. Now this one's got the space-saving spare wheel, and that is a factory option. Very nice indeed. So you do have a spare wheel should you unfortunately require it. Electric tailgate, privacy glass in the rear as well. And then we have the must-have panoramic glass roof, opening panoramic glass roof. Now inside, we get a full black leather interior, and we've then got the 14-way electric memory front seats. Now inside, we get the brushed aluminium interior detail. So all these are factory options from new. Heated front seats. Now, where you would have the clock in the centre of the dash, we then have the compass. So that's a nice option. Now, I do like the brushed aluminium. It's very, very subtle. It just complements the car. Now, this car is a one-owner car, and it's only done 22,226 miles. It's got a full Porsche main dealer service history from new. We've got 2 keys, and it's direct in today. It's just arrived. It's a one-owner vehicle, and it's in absolutely beautiful condition. Now, if you're looking for something like this, give me a call. I'm Graham. My number's underneath the advert. We've got some fantastic options on finance if you've got a part exchange also. But let me say, private registration on that car, and you would think it was a new vehicle. A beautiful, beautiful, high specification Porsche Macan. Now what we've got to remember is, these cars are very few and far between due to COVID. 6 months after this car was registered, we went into COVID, and obviously production of these vehicles went into short supply. So there is a very, very short supply of high quality, low mileage, one owner stock around at the moment. So don't delay, give us a call, and we'll hopefully be able to sort the deal out for you today. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.